Forgot your Dahua DVR password and there is no reset button? Today I will show you a 100% working hack method. First, connect the server to the monitor. Click Forgot Password on the login screen. As soon as you click, a QR code will be displayed on the screen. Now install the DMSS app on your mobile. This is the official app from Dahua. Open the app, then go to the Me section, open Tool Manager, and select Password Reset. Now scan the QR code. The reset process will start as soon as it is scanned. If email is configured, the verification code will be sent to your registered email address. Enter the code and set a new strong password. And that's it! Your DVR has been successfully unlocked. If email isn't configured, be sure to check out the next method. It's also 100% working.
Problem solved? Subscribe now for more quick DVR fixes. See you in the next one.
Forgot your Dahua DVR password? Don't panic. Today I'll show you the official and 100% legal reset method using serial number. Step 1. Note your DVR serial number from the login screen. Step 2. Write down the current date and time exactly as shown on the screen. Step 3. Email your local Dahua distributor or official support with serial number and current date. They will send you a reset file, usually a .bin file. Step 4. Copy the reset file to a USB drive. Step 5. Insert the USB into your DVR. The system will automatically detect the reset file. The system will automatically detect the reset file. Now set your new secure password. And that's it! Your Dahua DVR is successfully reset using the official serial number method.